In my room, two LED lights are present. Suddenly I see one LED light stop working. Before throw the light, I want to repair it. In this video, I try to fix the LED light. So, hello everyone, my name is Rajiv and welcome to a new video. Somehow I remove the plastic case and I find this type of LED driver board and LED board. First I check the input voltage and it's totally okay. Next I check the bridge rectifier input voltage and also the output voltage, it's also okay. After that I check the output voltage. Now I think I have found the problem. You can see 0 voltage is present in the output. So now I need to check the output diode, but the diode is totally okay. So that's mean the main problem in the IC of the driver board. I try to find the IC from the market, but I got the same kind of driver board from the market. So it's time to replace the board. This type of LED driver board are easily available in the market, so you just need to buy one and replace the board with your older one. By the way, the old driver board can use for any other project, so don't throw it. After checking, I just put the LED inside the plastic casing. Now the LED light problem is fixed. I think you can fix also this type of LED light. If you like this video, press the like button. If you want to support me, press the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.